Meron pa oh, probationary drivers of motorcycle etc. Tuturuan ka pa kung anong gagawin. Grabe guys. Yan guys, pupunta tayo, no? Kukuha na tayo ng probationary driving license kasi nakapasa na tayo ng lahat. So after 7 days ng ating passing ng ating driving test, kunin na natin. Samahan nyo ako ngayon. Dito tayo nga sa Shatin Government Offices. Yes, I will claim my probationary. Yes.
Please, have you booked appointment?
A what?
Book appointment? No.
No.
QR counter 10.
Counter 10. I will line up here.
Yeah.
Probationary license.
Can I have your ID card?
Sure.
It will be $90. How would you like to pay? I have EPS or FPS.
Oh, here.
Yeah.
Cash.
You want to pay cash? Cashier will call your name for payment. So
Okay.
I'll tell you something first. Just a moment.
What is this? FPS? FPS?
EPS or FPS. You have the debit card.
Okay.
So today you can have the privilege to drive the car, and please read the booklet before you drive. And this is the probationary period. Start from today, lasts for 1 year. And then after this day, you can come back and do the full license for your driving. So, but please remember, for the don't have any offense during the probationary period. Otherwise, it will extend or cancel for the license.
Okay.
So, counter 1 to 3 will call your name for payment.
How much? 900?
90.
Thank you. Guys, grabe ba tapos na. Ito na yung binigay sa akin, may papel, May booklet, in-explain sa akin lahat. Guys, ito yung wonder of wonders. 2 minutes lang. Wala pang 2 minutes yung aking application. Tapos na. Kanyang kabilis dito, walang red tape. Tapos ito yung matindi. Hindi $900, $90 lang. Meron ka na probationary driving license. Sobrang bilis guys. Tapos walang kurakot, walang red tape, wala lahat. Kung ano yung price, ganun lang, walang usapan. Kaya iba talaga dito sa ibang bansa. Dito sa Hong Kong wala talagang corruption na alam ko. Meron din siguro pero hindi ganun ka grabe. So guys, thank you so much. At kita-kita tayo ulit next time.
1 week later.
Driving school, dito naghihintay. Yeah, puro L learners. Ito kaya yun. Puro learners to. Maraming training vehicles. Yan o, may L, may learners. Yan, may iba naman to, Lee Kin Driving School. Ito naman ay one take easy test driving school. Nandito lahat yan nag-aabang. Tapos ito naman yung sa amin. May learners nakasulat, learners L. Ayun, meron din, inalis na niya. Tapos yung isa meron din. So private vehicle na rin siya. That's wrong already, right? Wrong.
It's okay.
Oh, but it is not straight. It's not parallel. Even though it's not parallel.
Now look at the exact corner, right? White corner. Now look at the white corner. Now this time look at the white corner. And then look at the straight. And now feel the right hand line drop out. Touch. Touch the white line. Now touch the white line. Turn. That's good. So
Okay, so hihi muna kami, ano, yung aking pilot doon lalakad, hihi. So yan, nagpa-practice kami ng driving dito sa labas. Back to zero. Actually, yung mga alam natin mag-drive, napakadali, pero pagdating ng may nagdidikta sa'yo na driving back to basics, so hirap. Kamay mo nga na ganun eh, hindi pwede, dapat ganun talaga daw. Tapos ang ginagawa natin, bibitaw tayo pagpaliko na, tapos straight, bibitaw kung ganun para bumalik na ito. Hindi pwede, dapat ganun-ganun pa rin, pa isa-isa pa rin. Kaya ang hirap. Anyway, sana matuto tayo. Ang exam natin ay malapit na. Hindi alam kung bakit ko pinasok ito, pero well, ganun talaga. Kaya gusto natin makadrive. Mahal na, tapos ang hirap pa. Anyway, practice lang talaga yan. Gusto ko lang talaga ma-experience. Maganda yung experience tayo nag-aaral ng driving. Ngayon, meron palang sana ito na lang yung pinag-aralan ko, van. Kasi pala pag van ng in-practice mo ang exam pala ng written exam ay pareho lang, pero ang driving exam, kagaya niyang van at saka kotse, ay magkaiba. So sana ang insiste niyan eh, kapag ito ang in-exam mo, driving test, hindi mo na kailangan pag magdadrive ko nito, hindi mo na kailangan ng license. Pero pag ito ang tinest mo, tapos hindi ka rin pwede mag-drive nun. Kaya ito lang, pag kotse ang nakapasa ka, mag-aaral ka na naman doon, another 12,000 to how many thousand Hong Kong dollars. Kaya ang ano ko lang, ayan oh, learners oh, yan na lang ay titest nyo para pwede rin kayo mag-drive nito pag nakapasa kayo at saka ng van. Pag nakapasa kayo dito sa kotse, hindi nyo rin pwede mag-drive yung van. Kaya yan na lang, pareho lang naman ang presyo daw ng exam yung pag-aaral dito sa kotse. Okay, kaya ngayon alam nyo na, no, na van ng inyong i-exam, ipapractice dito sa Hong Kong, wag kotse. Dapat van, isa lang ang exam, pero dalawang klase ang, isa lang ang exam, written exam para sa light vehicle at saka ng light car. So ganun. Okay.